Hey guys, what doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Seth, bringing our YouTube video. In today's video, we're coming back with another cooking video. Today's video, I'll show you how to make a cool apron like mine. I'm joking, but anyway, we're gonna be making my famous soup today. It's not really famous, but it will be after this video, hopefully. First, what you want to do is chop up about a palm full, well, my palm, about half palm full of garlic and onion. And then what we're going to do is while we're chopping this, we are going to come over here to our little cooking spot, throw in a pan. We're going to get some hamburger cooking back there. So when the hamburger's all cooked, I will come back and we will add our stuff to the hamburger. Alright, so we're going to get that flipped over, and if you don't know that, we are chopping up our hamburger into little pieces, and look at that nice, cool little thing I got. Yeah, it's a cast iron skillet, burns your hand when it gets hot, so I got this little thing there, and it's not hot, it covers it up, kind of like an oven mitt. So when the meat's ready, I'll come back. Alright, so then next what you want to do is I'm going to take my ingredients and throw it back into my hamburger. So, set you guys down here. Let me gather it up. Alright, then what you want to do is when you get it, you want to take your pan and you want to just sprinkle it all over the top, just like seasoning. And then you're going to mix it all up in your hamburger, stir it. Flip the hamburger over a couple of times, and this is when the hamburger, here I'll show you, is getting brown, as you can see there. So I will come back when the soup is started. Alright, so next we will be taking 1 can of tomato soup. The brand doesn't matter as long as it's a can of tomato soup. We're going to add this to our pot. Just dump that in there. Get as much as you can out. Then you fill can up with water. Get that up. Fill it up to the top. And then dump it in and put it on heat. Alright, so then what we're going to do is you're going to take your soup that you have in there, and you're going to put it on to about low to medium heat and let that cook. We're going to stir it all up. We're going to stir it all up for a little bit. This recipe, I'd say, takes about 20-25 minutes to make the soup. That's including the hamburger that takes about 10 minutes to make that. And then after we stir our soup all up like this, mix it all up so the tomato soup and the water can mix together. And then after that, we'll add a palmful of pepper and salt and a palmful of chili powder. And then we'll just add that in there. That's when the soup starts boiling. We'll add all that stuff in there, and then that's what is done. That's your final product. I don't know if you can tell from here, but smoke is starting to come from the top of that, or steam, I should say. You can tell our soup is in there. It's boiling. So what we're going to do next is take our hamburger here and dump it into there while it's cooking. Alright, we're gonna put that in there. So we have our hamburger in there, and then what we're just going to do, mix it all up so it combines with the soup. Okay, so our soup is now starting to boil, bubble, all that. I'll show you it right up there. Don't know if you can tell, little bubbles forming on it, steam coming off. So now what we're going to do is, let me get set up here. We are going to add a palmful of salt, about that much, and then we're going to add a palmful of pepper. Looks like that. And then, oh, I didn't pre-open that. And then we are going to add a palmful of our chili powder. We're gonna dump that in there. And then we're going to take all of our stuff. We're gonna throw that over top. Throw that on there. Mix that up with it. So we're gonna quickly mix all that up. Let's off a good smell. And then once that's done, shut off the burner, put the lid on top, and we'll show you what the final looks like. Alright, so here's what our soup looks like in the end. We're gonna add some crackers, which I use the oyster crackers. Dump some on top, and I'll show you what I think of the soup. I've had it plenty of times before. It's pretty good, but I'll just show you guys what it looks like when I eat it. So we got our bowl of soup here. Got a spoon. Let's try the soup. Not that bad. You can really taste the garlic in it. If you would like this recipe, I'll put the directions, the ingredients. I'll put the ingredients down in the description below. So if you guys want to see that, then there you go. I guess that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoyed that video, that cooking video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I'm out of here.